What's up, everybody? Today we are at the Celebrity Face studio for the fashion photo shoot, and I had a lot of fun. Did you have a lot of fun to do?
Yes.
So guys,
It's always fun to like shoot with all of them, to meet new people. Always fun.
we are live from Celebrity Face Studio in New Delhi. Today we have a photo shoot with hot and handsome hug Varun Sood from MTV Splitsvilla 9 and all the beautiful contestants from across India. They are here for their photo shoot with Varun Sood. So guys, you're watching this live video from Celebrity Face Studio. Right, Varun?
Also, today in the MGF Mall, Lighthouse Cafe, I'm going to walk the ramp as a showstopper. So come there at around 8 o'clock. I'll see you all there.
So those who wants to meet Varun and wants to click selfies with him, you can come to MGF Mall, Saket, first floor, Lighthouse Club. There is a Celebrity Face fashion show. All beautiful models, international models will walk along with Varun. And you wanna have a great time, and you can come and meet Varun as well. So yep.
So the love these guys have given me, it's like overwhelming. I'm always happy to come here.
So guys, if you want to ask any questions to Varun, you can just post below.
Ask us.
As
Yeah.
you can see, I look foodie. So which Chinese food do you like?
So even I am a foodie, and I don't discriminate in food. I eat everything possible. Everything.
Are you foodie?
I love food. I can't live without food. I'm telling you that.
Are you diet conscious? Or
Not at all. I eat everything. Everything possible.
Okay.
So how was your experience in Splitsvilla 9?
Splitsvilla was a different world and a lot of fun. I mean, 30 days, the bunch of people, the fights, the arguments, the love, the bond, the connection. It's just overwhelming, just unreal. It's amazing.
Great, thank you so much. So guys, we'll ask Varun. So Varun, tell us about like your new show on MTV, that is MTV Campus Diaries.
Yeah.
Yes.
So basically, I'm hosting Campus Diaries as a new feature. So me and Binafsha and Harman are hosting as the new features of MTV. It's a lot of fun. We go to colleges, we experience their college life, because every college has a different college life. We talk to the people, and the interaction is a lot of fun. The activities we do there is a lot of fun. You'll be seeing it on MTV very soon.
So Varun, all beautiful girls want to know, are you single now?
Oh yes, I am. Very much single.
So are you
I'm
looking?
happy to know that answer.
So are you looking for your love?
No, don't
well-
say no.
I am.
Say no.
Are you looking for your love now?
Oh, yes, I am looking for love. Obviously.
Okay, great. So what are your future plans? Like you're doing, like you're working as an MTV VJ. So what are you after MTV Campus Diaries? Are you planning any other shows and all?
There'll be a new show on MTV like around March. You guys will see. I can't really reveal it right now. I plan to stick with MTV and then probably hit the movies in a year.
Wow, that's great. So all girls are commenting you looking handsome,
Thank you so
beautiful.
much.
Even I'm having a big crush on him.
Okay, wow, that's
Thank
great.
you so much.
So okay, somebody's asking Varun, do you really like Martina now?
See, Martina and me will always be the best of friends, and we'll always be close. But some people don't work out. Splits happen, and we were separated, which happens, which is okay. Can't help it.
So guys, if you want to ask question, एक तो hit like करो, heart button like करो, तभी मैं आपके questions पूछूंगा वरुण से. फटाफट hit करो like सारे. Dristy Sharma is saying, hey Varun.
Hi, what's up? How are you?
Okay. Adnan is asking, are you going for Big Boss?
No.
Okay.
Why so?
I'm hosting a show. I'm hosting a show on MTV.
Actually, people wants to know your real life. I know, yeah, real life. I know you're real.
Like I was real on Roadies, I was real on Splitsvilla. अब इससे क्या real था? Now you'll watch me host a show on
नहीं YouTube
MTV.
पे सॉरी बिग बॉस पे और भी लोग देखेंगे और जानेंगे लोग आपको.
कितना reality यार.
Okay, all beautiful girls are saying they love you so much.
Can you please take my name?
What's your name?
Aditi.
Hi Aditi.
Thank you. Okay, Nalina Sahi saying, hi Varun, I'm from Nepal.
Hi, what's up?
Okay, Isha is asking, what's your height?
What's
Isha is
I'm 6 feet 4 inches.
okay. Adarsh Sharma is saying बुरा लगा मार्टिना एंड आपका ब्रेकअप हो गया.
मुझे भी.
Okay. Yeah, please come this side. So guys, those who wants to meet Varun, you can come tonight at MGF Mall Saket and you can meet him and you can click lot of selfies with him.
I'll be waiting for all of you. So please do come because I don't really stay in Delhi anymore. So I'll see you all there.
So Varun, also tell all your beautiful fans like how they can participate in Celebrity Phase and they can get a chance to meet you and get clicked with you.
So if you guys want to get clicked with me and experience this, be a part of the live chat, the interaction and everything, all you have to do is send in a picture of yourself on the Instagram and the Facebook page of Celebrity Face, and then you can have a chance to get clicked with me. It's a lot of fun, trust me. I won't lie to you.
Wow, okay, thank you so much. So Varun, आप एक और चीज बताइए. Again, we keep on seeing you on Ranvijay's live video.
Yeah.
So Ranvijay, आपका equation कैसा है? भाई भाई का है या फ्रेंड फ्रेंड का है, कैसा है, या बॉस सर का है, कैसा
भाई
है?
भाई का है, वो मेरे बड़े भाई है.
Okay.
And रोडीज ने कहा था कि since he sees his younger version in me, तो हमारा bond उस level का ही है. Recently he was in Delhi. He stayed at my house and everything. So हम feel like a family.
Okay. And what you need to say about Sunny Leone, your host in MTV Spectacular?
Sunny Leone is the cutest female I've ever seen. वो इतनी bubbly है, इतनी cute है, इतनी professional है. Whenever she was on the set, nobody was sad, everybody was happy because the aura is very positive.
Okay.
आपने एक पोस्ट डाला था Instagram पे saying that miss you, some pet was there.
Yeah.
Tell me about that.
So 5 to 10 minutes before the finale, I called my mom. I
Pets
said,
Villa.
yeah. So I called my
Yeah, you
mom.
even posted that he died.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I called my mom. I said, Mom, I'm in the finale. मैं task के लिए जा रहा हूँ. And I asked about my dogs. So mom said, no, they're fine. And she hung up. So I was like, in a little doubt कि पता नहीं ठीक होंगे नहीं होंगे. So I called my sister and she said that one of them has passed away. So 5 minutes before the task, I was crying, I was shaking, but then I had to do the task. Very difficult. Losing a pet is not easy.
I know.
Okay, people are asking, Meenakshi Sharma is asking कि आपका एंड मार्टिना का रिलेशनशिप क्या रियल था या फेक था शो में?
एकदम रियल था. शो के बाद भी हम साथ में थे. वो अपने लाइफ में बिजी हो गई, मैं अपने लाइफ में बिजी हो गई. तो इट डिडंट रियली वर्क आउट. एंड सम थिंग्स डोंट वर्क आउट. वी आर बेटर ऑफ एज फ्रेंड्स.
Okay. If you get a chance to do a film with one of the directors, so whom would you choose? Which
Farhan
director?
Akhtar.
Farhan Akhtar. Okay, great. Who's your favorite actress?
Alia Bhatt.
Actor?
Farhan Akhtar.
Best host?
Ranvijay Singh.
Okay. Best female host?
That's a tough one.
Bani, Vijay Galen.
I would say Vijay Galen and Bani.
Okay.
There's a tie.
Okay.
Oh, by the way, Bani's coming in Big Boss.
Oh wow, wow, that's a great
Do you
news.
watch serials and all? It's all daily soaps and all.
Not the Indian ones.
Your mom?
No, not the Indian ones.
Okay, RJ Arpit is asking, bro कैसे बनाई ये बॉडी आपने?
यार मेहनत है. तुम भी करोगे तुम्हारी बच जाएगी.
Simple answer.
नलीना फेवरेट इंडियन एक्ट्रेस वरुण की आलिया भट्ट है. ठीक है. पीपल आर सेइंग ओके समबडी. अनिकेत बंडल इज आस्किंग क्या आप ओके सूरज और मार्टिना क्या डेट कर रहे हैं?
हाँ, दोनों डेट कर रहे हैं. मैं सिंगल हूँ.
So all beautiful girls, Varun is single. If you want to mingle, you can DM on Instagram. You might be lucky. Okay. Okay, so Vasundhara Johar is asking, what are your views about army life as a teenager?
Army life as a whole बहुत exciting है. And the things the army does for us, like salute to them obviously because उनकी वजह से हम हैं. I've got to travel, I've got to experience so many things which not a lot of people experience because मैं एक army background से था. And it has been amazing. Like the way I am, मेरी personality completely goes to the army background जो मुझे मिला.
Okay.
I'm gonna tell you something. My dad was in Air Force.
Wow. That's a great life.
Yeah, awesome it was.
Okay, Sakshi Chabra, she's asking your favorite song.
My favorite song. I don't have one in particular. मैं कुछ भी सुन लेता
Can you
हूँ.
please sing one?
Oh
Few
shit.
lines.
The Facebook live will go down.
It's okay.
People will start bleeding from the ears.
Can you please?
I'm a
sing?
host. I'm not a singer.
Please.
Yes.
Please. Few lines.
Maybe some other time.
Okay.
Few.
Okay.
Okay.
Guys, you can hit like button, heart button. थोड़ा तो likes करो.
Roadies or Splitsvilla?
Roadies, any day. Roadies is the best thing to happen.
Okay.
Your favorite roommate is Splitsvilla 9?
In roommate,
No.
Women.
Woman.
in Roadies, I had like every day was special to me. In Splitsvilla, when Martina and Kavya got up from the throne, the best part.
And like Varun, tell us about like what do you need to say about Mia Lakra?
Mia Lakra is actually quite smart. So in a game like Splitsvilla, okay, if you can piss off a person, you have won the game. You have won that battle.
And what about Rajnandri?
वो दोनों ना काफी इरिटेट करते थे एक पॉइंट के बाद. तो जो एंगर था, जो फ्रस्ट्रेशन था, वो निकालते थे. तो दे एक्चुअली मेड द गेम डिफिकल्ट फॉर अस, व्हिच वाज लाइक अ विन फॉर देम.
Okay. आप कभी मिया लाकरा के साथ कोई शो करना चाहोगे?
I will ask you something.
Yeah, please.
मार्टिना को वो लोग बेबी एलिफेंट बुलाते थे और अब मुझे भी बेबी एलिफेंट बुलाते हैं. ऐसा क्यों? इसका मतलब क्या है? मतलब लॉजिक क्या है इसके पीछे?
लॉजिक नहीं है तभी वो बोलते हैं, बिकॉज बॉडी शेमिंग इज समथिंग व्हिच इज नॉट एक्सेप्टेबल. काफ़ी लोग जो इंडिया में हैं, जो लड़कियां हैं, लड़के हैं, दे सफर फ्रॉम बॉडी शेमिंग. उनको ये फेस करना पड़ता है एंड काफ़ी सुसाइड होते हैं इसकी वजह से. सो आई एम कम्प्लीटली अगेंस्ट इट. वन शुड बी कंफर्टेबल इन द ओन बॉडी, एंड अगर आप कंफर्टेबल नहीं हो तो फिर फ़ायदा नहीं है. सो टू ऑल द पीपल आउट देयर, don't feel bad if people are calling you fat, because those are the people who are putting you down. Important नहीं है वो लोग.
Okay.
Don't listen to them.
For this, thousands of clap for him. Please.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, Praveen is asking, Varun, what time you get up in the morning?
That depends. Initially, before entering Roadies or Splitsvilla, I used to get up at 5:30. I used to play basketball
Okay.
every morning 5:30. But after joining the industry, hosting shows with MTV, I don't really have a proper schedule. If I sleep at 3, I wake up at 12, 4. There's no schedule.
Okay. Palak Madan she's asking,
Yes, they are still dating. They're going very strong.
okay. Are you going regularly gym?
No, yeah, I'm not getting time at all.
Okay. She's asking, whom do you actually love?
At all.
Okay. Did you ever had a dream to become an army officer?
Initially, when I was 19, before entering Roadies, I wanted to join the army. I gave my papers and everything. But after joining Roadies, I had a different experience of a world. I was exposed to a different lifestyle. So that's my lifestyle now.
Manya, she's asking, do you still like Martina as a friend?
Yeah, she'll always be my best friend. Always.
Kritika Goyal is saying you always look handsome.
Thank you so much, Kritika.
Varun, please tell your favorite FC on Instagram.
I love all of them. The edits, the posts which you guys make, I love all of them. Thank you so much.
Your favorite place to hang out in Delhi?
My house. My bedroom. My bed.
Okay, Akriti, she is asking, would you like to date Rajnandini ever?
Date? No.
Anmol, he's asking, do you watch cricket?
Yes, I do watch cricket.
Okay.
Your favorite sports?
Basketball?
Okay.
Wow.
Sports person?
Michael Jordan.
Do
Okay.
you like Virat Kohli?
Yeah, he's a nice guy. Plays well.
Okay. Tell like Varun, now I'll ask you a few questions quickly. Guys, वरुण की फेवरेट एक्ट्रेस आलिया भट्ट है. सेम क्वेश्चंस आप पूछ रहे हैं. बिग बॉस में नहीं जा रहे हैं बिकॉज इज MTV VJ नाउ. वरुण की हाइट कितनी? अगेन यू कैन टेल.
6 feet 4 inches.
Priya is asking, do you have someone other than Martina now in your life?
No, I only have my work.
Okay. Chavi, she's asking from which college you are?
I'm from Venki, Delhi University.
Okay. Okay, Vinaya, she's asking why you are so cute.
I have no idea. That's one question I have no answer to.
Somebody's asking where do you put up in Delhi?
My house.
A lot of people are asking, are you going to Big Boss? Big Boss.
I'm not.
Okay. Favorite PS4 game?
It'll be NBA 2K17.
Okay. Which bike do you like? Do you like bikes?
I love bikes. I have a Thunderbird.
Okay. Great. If you'll get a chance to work with Salman Khan, will you work or not?
Why not? Who will miss the chance?
Obviously. And which actress you would like to work?
Like to work Deepika.
So Varun, now you directly interact with your fans. So guys, Varun will hold the camera. You can ask your questions. अच्छे क्वेश्चंस पूछना है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल पहले हाइट लाइक बटन क्लिक करो, हार्ट बटन क्लिक करो, देन ओनली Varun will answer your questions now. And those who wants to meet Varun, you can come to Lighthouse Club. Which mall?
MGF Mall. Today
First floor.
8 p.m.
Yes. Now Varun, you directly interact with your fans. You can hold.
अगर आप दिल्ली में हो तो फिर you can come to the Lighthouse Cafe in MGF Mall. Can we have a basketball match? Why not? So I would like you to say hello to the contestants.
Hi.
You're coming? Come. I'll see you all there. Manya, hi, how are you? Qualities in my future girlfriend. She should be funny, she should be smart, intelligent. I think that's about it. Address बता दो, क्यों नहीं? Martin is about 5'7". I don't know. Never asked her. Do you stay in Delhi or Mumbai? Mumbai. Are you on Instagram? Yes, I am on Instagram. Come. All of you come. Hello, hi, Yash. Any questions you guys want to ask me, you can ask me. No, I'm not with Martina. Martina is with Suraj. These are the contestants who came for the photo shoot. Hi, Yash. So many Yash today. Future plan क्या है? I'm hosting things with MTV. I hosted a series called NBA Slam with Ranvijay. So 1-2 साल तक I think यही plan है. Where do you stay in Mumbai, yaar? In my house. I can't tell you where. Where do you put up in Delhi? Somewhere. Which brand do you like the most? Apple or Samsung? Apple. I have an iPhone. What's your plan after Splitsvilla? After Splitsvilla, I'm hosting Campus Diaries. I'm hosting this thing called NBA Slam with Ranvijay. So that's the plan. You guys will see me on MTV very soon again. Martina will always be a friend. Yes, all good between me and Martina. We just had an event in Kolkata. I was not well. I was traveling. I was working very hard. But now I'm good. Which actress do you like the most? Alia Bhatt. I can ride on my head. Said so many times. Thank you so much, Shivangi. Thank you. Thank you, Simran. Do you like gaming? I used to do a lot of gaming when I used to have a lot of free time, but then not anymore. My first crush was my maths teacher in class 9. How can you meet me? You can come to the Lighthouse Cafe in MGF Mall today at 8 o'clock, and I'll be there. Do I believe in love? Yes, I do believe in love. Will you do Bollywood movies? That's the plan within a year or two. More genuine camera. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Favorite colors black. Chinmay, are you with Varun? Where are you?
I'm here.
Yeah. Yes, she is here. Something about Squadron. Squadron ke new videos will be out very soon. You guys will see it. Shooting for Squadron is a lot of fun. I hope Chinmay, you are with Varun again. Somebody. Hi Anurag. Hello Amit. Always reply to your tweet. I reply to every tweet I can. Well, mostly. Just one call, Aditi. We have Aditi over here too. PlayStation. Favorite food? Everything. I eat everything. Is Gurmeet my best friend? He's like a brother to me. Which game do you like? I like NBA 2K17. I like FIFA, Mortal Kombat. I look like, oh, thank you. That's not a compliment, by the way. Next, you're in, yeah, I'm doing Campus Diaries. The trailers are out very soon. Recently, I shot a trailer with Salman Yusuf Khan. And what a dancer he is. See my Snapchat. I will. Rajnandani played the game very smartly. She knew how to piss you off. And she succeeded. But she's a sweet girl. Like now I meet her, she's nice. My height, thank you.
Hi.
Gurmeet and Kavya are still together, yes. If you're liking this entire video, you can press like, heart, or whatever emoticon you like. What about celebrity face is nice, it's amazing. Always a lot of fun. Where is Chinmay? We have a lot of fans. That's a message for you.
Yeah.
See that?
Sparsh.
Yeah, Sparsh is saying I love you.
I love you too, Sparsh.
Martina or Kavya, who I think they both look good. Oh, I've reached 400. Thanks. Didn't see my phone. Martina is in Pune right now.